You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. The top word on your screen is the noun. It's pronounced in British English, hiatus, hiatus. Hiatus. The Americans say it as hiatus with a flap T. That sounds like a D, hiatus. Now the bottom word is the corresponding adjective, and it's pronounced hiatal. Hiatal in British English, or hiatal in American English. So hiatus, hiatal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.